Good evening, everybody. I hope all is well. Yep, you guessed it. What am I cooking in a van? It's about 3 o'clock in the morning, and I got a little head start on it. Anyway, I'm going with hot dogs. Oh, man. What I did was I saved the sauce from the beef tips that I made tacos out of last night, and I poked a bunch of holes in the hot dogs and put them in that and cooking them in that, and there was so much flavor in that stuff that I made last night that I just had to save it and put something else in it. So hot dogs. Yep, just something normal. Of course, I'm going extreme with it. I've got the hot dog buns, I got the pepper jack cheese, I got the paste chunky salsa. I was thinking of using the pico, but that container was quite swollen when I took it out the fridge, so I probably need to get rid of that and get a new pack. But I might put some buffer ranch on there. I don't know. There's already a lot of flavors in this, so I might just go with the pepper jack cheese and the paste. A little bit of salsa on it. I don't know. Maybe. You ever eat salsa on your hot dogs? I don't know. But, that's what I'm doing tonight. And those are pretty much done. I'm just letting them simmer in the bubbling sauces to see if I can soak up any more of the flavors. As I stated before, I poked a bunch of holes in them so they might soak it up. But that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to go ahead and put things together and show you what it looks like. And there we have it. 3 hot dogs cooked in the sauce that I made beef tacos, steak tacos with last night. In that sauce was Lowry's seasoning salt, a bunch of crushed jalapeno peppers, and diced onions and minced onion. A lot of flavor. Lots of flavor. And like I said, I went ahead and cooked the hot dogs in it. So I added the pepper jack cheese and the salsa. I think that's just gonna, I think it'll be good enough like that. Yeah. Anyway, I'm hungry. I'm digging in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.